If you're leaving Colombia, the paperwork starts 3 months before your flight, not the week before. Let's start with the lease. Under Colombian rental law, specifically Ley 820 of 2003, you must send a certified written notice to your landlord at least 3 months before your contract ends. Use Servientrega or Inter Rapidissimo for certified delivery. You need proof of receipt. Miss this window by 1 day, and the contract automatically renews for another year. If you need to break the lease early without a negotiated exit clause, expect a penalty of 3 months' rent. On deposits. Cash deposits are technically illegal under standard Colombian rental law, but many landlords demand them anyway, especially in expat-heavy neighborhoods. Your best move is to negotiate deducting your final utility bills directly from your last month's rent, rather than chasing a cash refund after you've already left the country. Internet and telecom are easier than they used to be. Under CRC Resolution 8171 of 2026, you can cancel Claro, Tigo, or Movistar with at least 3 business days' notice before your billing cutoff. No more hour-long hold music. Check your bill for your fecha de corte, your cutoff date. If it's the 15th, cancel by the 11th. Return the equipment to an official store and photograph the receipt. If you leave the modem in the apartment, the provider will flag your ID for collections. For bank accounts, empty the balance first, then close in person at a branch for Bancolombia or Da Vivienda. Nequi, Lulo, or Nu can usually be closed through the app. Watch the 4x1000 transaction tax when moving large sums. Make sure one account is marked as your exempt account before you start transferring. Taxes. If you spent 183 days or more in Colombia in any rolling 365-day period, you are a tax resident and owe a DIAN filing for worldwide income. The filing covers the year you left, but it is not due until the following year. A good Colombian accountant charges $50 to $150 to handle this, worth every peso. Full step-by-step checklist at colombiamove.com, link in the description.